Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix 7 for running. First, let's get your watch ready. You can customize up to 4 data screens, each showing up to 4 data fields to see exactly what you need at a glance. Ensure your GPS settings are on all systems for the best accuracy, especially in challenging environments. For even more precise data, consider pairing an external heart rate monitor or a running dynamics pod, which connects seamlessly via ANT Plus or Bluetooth. Once you're out the door, tracking your run is straightforward. Press the Start/Stop button on the top right to begin your activity. During your run, you can press the lap button on the bottom right to mark a new lap, perfect for interval training or tracking specific segments. Keep an eye on your customizable data screens to monitor your current pace, total distance, and heart rate, ensuring you stay within your target zones for optimal training. After your run, the Fenix 7 provides an immediate summary right on your wrist, showing key stats like total distance, elapsed time, and average pace. For a deeper dive, sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Here, you can analyze detailed metrics, view your route on a map, and gain insights into your training status, recovery time, and even your performance condition, helping you understand your body's response to your workouts. The Fenix 7 offers powerful advanced features to elevate your running. Utilize Pace Pro to create dynamic pacing strategies for your runs, adjusting for elevation changes to help you hit your target time. The Up Ahead feature provides a quick glance at upcoming course points, like turns or aid stations, which is incredibly useful for races or new routes. Plus, daily suggested workouts offer personalized guidance, adapting to your training load and recovery needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.